time I have to talk.
Wow, how are you doing? Hi, good to see you. Oh, good to see for you. Oh, good for you to see us. What do you have to say? Is it good for you to see us?
It is good for us to know that you're seeing us.
My goodness. Okay. So we are happy today. We have a guest, and we also have Alfred.
Yes.
And karibu sana. Jatikali ndi mugeithia na gikuo kiria nyitaga wega. Mko sawa? Very good. So tumetembea hapa kuwasalimia briefly. As we give you our notes, we got a lot of notes. And I know zingine pia tutapeana kule kwa studio. Lakini niko na mgeni nasikia anaitwa Steve, atapata nafasi ya kuweza kutusalimia. And we also have Alfred as usual. We normally have Alfred to make sure that everything is in order, so that if you may have any question, atakujibu, and of course on time. So how do you do? Tumekuwa na I think almost 2 weeks hatujakuwa live, but we thank God for everything. Kila kitu ilifanyika kwa sababu yake, and because ni Mungu. Last Monday nilikuwa hospitali na WS Hospital, so I didn't manage to come here. Kulikuwa pia na matatizo hapa kule, asijui mafuta nini, lakini kila kitu iko sawa. I hope you are okay also. And tuko na Alfred salimia wa Kenya.
Asanteni, tunashukuru sana. Of course you can see the excitement on our faces.
Yes.
Tunashukuru sana just to come and again start talking to you again and touch base. Mnaendelea namna gani?
Yes.
Kama pia nyinyi mkosa mafuta kama sisi. Juu tunaona hii Ukraine may affect everyone. But we are praying that this comes to an end, because God can really make it come to an end very fast.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Introduce your guest.
So I am here with my guest. His name is Avikael. He's gonna be talking about something that shortly, but for now he's just gonna say his name, and then just his name, and then that's it.
Okay, I'm Avikael. That's my name.
You tell them what you
You
just
from Kenya?
You said just say my name.
your name, and then you can talk about what you've seen.
Okay, so my name is Avikael. I'm from Israel. It was amazing. We just went to Konza. We seen a very nice plan. People have put together a very nice compact plan to build the city. It's truly amazing. They're focusing on making it a smart city. So everything is arranged in order. So it's amazing. And then the land that we're on right now, it's just like, say, about less than 5 minutes from it. You can even, jog or walk, you'd be exactly where we are now. From my point of view, we're definitely looking to make an investment in the land. They have a part for light manufacturing, and that's something that we're into. We're into manufacturing vegan foods. So we see it as an excellent opportunity for the land to be so adjacent one to the other. So we met there some very nice people. They explained everything to us, gave us a very nice overview, and we can definitely see that within the next 3-5 years, this place is going to be absolutely booming. So it was a pleasure to see that.
Thank you.
My goodness, waigua kemodo wako. Okay, I don't understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, Alfred. Unajua ni vizuri umetuletea mgeni.
Yes.
At least kwa wale wanatakanga tuongee hiyo kizungu ngumu sana. Umeshikana. Umeelezewa vizuri ni nini tumeona. And I think, Alfred, today it is one of my beautiful days in my life.
Yes.
I have been thinking of kuingia huko Konza niangalie. But what I saw, it is not what I was thinking.
It's not what you
Yani zile video nimechukua, yani nitawachafua na hizo video. You guys need to see what is Konza City.
Yeah.
I think tumeelezewa almost an hour.
An hour plus.
Yani tumepewa tu lecture kama wenye wako kule campus. Lecture ya karibu 1 hour. What I'm happy about is we've been talking of something that you can't be able to see from inside. We were just able to see from that view. But now, today, we managed to get into the site itself. We have seen the roads, the tarmac roads. We have seen the structures.
Coming up.
Umesikia mpaka university?
Yeah. Airport.
Airport. Yeah. Saa hii si guess. We got the information right.
Yeah.
Airport. Yeah. We have a command center, train station. We got a fire station and of course police station. There, a very big, a huge police station.
Yeah.
It's actually a command center.
It's a command center, not a police station. Very big.
That's it. And I'm still happy because I have heard of Media City, something.
Yes, Media City.
Media City. Story ya drone na nini. I think kwanza it's what Kenyan needed.
Yes.
I think from Israel you can be able to at least point several things.
Yes.
You have had with Konza, which you can be able to compare with Israel.
Yes.
So Kizungu itanimaliza. Alfred. So sijui kama unaweza labda wapea ka analysis kadogo sana chenye wewe umejionea, because I got all the videos and the photos. Na tumekula bahati tukapanda kwa ile nyumba wako nayo, so tumeiangalia from the upper view and at least kila mtu ataweza kujionea, but maybe because tukiwaekea video there will be no much explanation in terms of voice. I think it's good wapate kusikia haswa ni nini umejionea kama investor. You know you are an investor yourself.
Yes.
So na pia nimeona uko na interest kubwa sana na Konza City.
Sana.
So maybe unaweza wapea just a brief.
Unajua tumekuwa na hii shamba hapa karibu na Konza for many years.
Yes.
But today also it's my first opportunity kuingia huko ndani nione kweli hao watu wanajengaga nini.
Mwaingia State House. Yani ile. Unajua tunaambiagwa tu tunakuja kwa mlima tunaangalia Konza tunashangaa. Hizi barabara zinatengenezwa hapa ni zinatoshana aje. Yani ukiwa kwa mlima unaona kama ni lami lakini huko sure. Lakini sasa tumezikaribia. Tumeenda hapo ndani unashangaa. Tukaribia tulikuwa ndani sasa hapo kwa hizo barabara. It's something that is really amazing. Yes. Even for the next nimeuliza huo jamaa mwenye tulikuwa ni wetu. How long does he expect this thing to take off? And he was kind enough to tell me in the next 3 years with the current budget that was given a few weeks. Nimekutumia video jana kwa budget yenye ilisomwa Friday. Konza was part of the budget. So nafikiri watu wote wenye wanunua phase 1 watumia hiyo video pia watch. Na pia hizi video tumechukua siku ya leo. Wakasema in the next 3 years sasa hivi walishamalizana horizontal, sasa wanaenda tu vertical. And in the next 3 years everything will have taken shape. Na ukiangalia kweli watu wako huko ndani, it's a magnitude. You know I have that audio recording of the whole conversation. Is it? Are you aware? No, I was recording. I have the whole conversation. Is it? Wow. So the whole explanation, if you need it, I have it. Yes. Just listen to it. Listen about the I think it should be around 10 key points. Yes. He mentioned about what do you call it? Transport. He mentioned about electricity system. He mentioned about utility, all the utilities. Yes. I mean, mpaka cable zitakuwa zinapita chini. Zimeshawekwa. Yes, underground. Zimeshawekwa. Yani nimesikiza tu story ya Konza and then wakiangalia hiyo video nimewaekea, wanaweza kuona zile barabara zimepita. After in every section there is a road. Yes. So meaning before uende kwa hii part nyingine kuna barabara. So accessibility iko sawa. Story ya internet, story ya maji, umesikia mpaka maji? Wamesema imetoka Thwake and Thwake will be complete in the next 2 years. Yes. No, in 2023. Thwake will be the supplier of water in the city and the environs of this area. Yes. Sijui kama umesikia kuhusu around 60, is it 65 or 68 acres just outside the city? Yes. Yani watakuwa na interest nazo. It's of interest of them, yes. Kwa sababu hataki watu wajenge tu mavitu tu waharibu city. I mean, Konza City, it's a what we say, it's a picture of what the future. Other countries like Dubai are already in. So we are somewhere. We actually heading somewhere. And the other thing chenye kimenifurahisha sana ni it is not just a city, it's a smart city. So everything must be very innovative. Yani kila kitu ni cha technology. You don't just set up anything there with your own plans. So I think this is part of the biggest project I think Kenya wanafanya saa hizi. So Alfred, nafikiri we have a lot to do.
We have a lot to do. What I'm very impressed in is that kuna wale watu already washa take advantage, even without knowing how Konza City will turn out to be. Hata mimi sikujua it turn out to be like that. Otherwise,
hata ukiona ukiwa nje bila kuingia,
you will never imagine. It's just beyond imagination. Unajua? Kwa sababu what we've seen and what we've always thought about is totally different. Na enyewe nimeshukuru sana. It was just a chance for us to go there. We didn't even know anyone, but at least one person allowed us to go in. We didn't even know that we can take a video from the building, but of course also God started that. Ikakuwa tunaweza chukua video. Just one thing.
At least yani tuwaibie tu siri. Yani watu wanataka tu kuingia ndani tuwaibie siri.
One thing built together.
Kuona. I think even him, he has seen a lot. I think
he got a lot. He got a lot of what was coming up.
So when we talk of Konza Phase 2, sasa mahali tuko hapa ndio utakuwa unatoka unaenda kwa duka. Umesikia amesema story ya duka na nini na
stop shop. Stop shop. The stop shop will be one stop shop will be just about the main road and it will be accessible to everybody. Na hiyo ndio wamesema it's coming up very fast by the gate of the entry. Na unajua tunaingilianga hapo tu kwa hiyo entry.
So now that city imeguza Mombasa Road. From Mombasa Road opposite ingia kuja 3.5 kilometers upate Konza Phase 2 yenye tuko sasa hivi. Hapa katikati, are you aware we have old Mombasa Road crossing here?
Where the truck just passed.
Yes. Now that old Mombasa Road, it will decongest that place because you see there will be a lot of activities happening there. So it crosses just behind us. Na nafikiri Alfred, kwa wale watu hawakuwa wamemanage kununua na kwa wale watu waliweza kununua Phase 1, I think you need to see these videos. You need to see them. Ndio ujue umenunua nini. Todo ino ni dhahabu. Ndio ni vizuri by the way you watch ndio ujue umenunua nini. Na thank you. Kuna watu tayari naona washaanza kukuja WhatsApp nataka Konza. Na unajua hatujawekea hizo videos because I'm going to upload the videos maybe hopefully by midnight because I have to compile them, but the most important thing ni chenye sisi tumeona. Kwa hivyo usikize hii explanation alafu tutakuwekea video baadaye. Kitu moja kimenifurahisha because tumeenda Phase 1. Kuna mahali unaona barabara?
Hapana.
I think kunazo na ziko na lami tayari.
Barabara kila pahali.
Yani na zenye hazijawekwa ndio zinawekwa saa hizi zinamalizika. Tumeonyeshwa kuna unaona hapa tulikuwa tumesema mara ya kwanza. Kuna nini tulionyeshwa pale? Is it tumeambiwa ni nini?
Restaurant.
No. Tukiwa pale juu
service apartments.
Not apartments. Kuna kitu tumeonyeshwa hapo. Unaona mahali tulikuwa tumeweka gari? Kuna kanindika construction kanaendelea hapo.
Ndio wamesema service apartments.
Okay. So there's a lot of buildings,
service apartments.
A lot of things happening there. Tumeonyeshwa mahali university pia ishaanza kudevelop na kila kitu. So I think I'm hoping kila mtu atapata nafasi ya kuingia huko. I wish each one of you gets that chance kuingia huko. Aone nini hiyo tunaongea kuhusu.
We have the contacts of course now. Tukikuja hapa na uko willing kwenda kuingia huko ndani. We just need to notify them in advance. Ndio watukubalie kuingia huko ndani.
We even didn't know what we are going to see. Yani umewahi kitu mpaka unachanganyikiwa. Unajua nimeanza kufanya na kupiga hesabu haziingii lakini by the way I wish unajua ni nini umenunua huku. Hata sisi hatuko tunajua. Hapa tuko tunajua nini tunauza by the way. Hatuko tunajua ni nini tunauza. Sasa ndio tunajua ni nini tunauza.
Imenichanganya sana.
This place should be even expensive than we are selling.
Imenichanganya sana. That place confused me totally. If the price I'm giving is worth it.
You have to up the price of your land.
It's too much. It's supposed to be too much. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So
They even gave you a discount.
Huh?
And they even gave you a discount.
Imagine. Yes.
so that's all. Na kwa hivyo wewe kama hauko umenunua, by the way, let me tell them, if you had not purchased a plot here, please do, because once we are done with here, we also have another project. We might think of something, because I know I know we have the phase 3.
Yes.
Phase 3 must be the part of the 65 acres we are speaking about.
Yes.
Must be, because it's actually close to the road, to the main road. So kama hujanunua kwanza, you know, once umesikia tumemaliza phase 2, don't expect such a price anytime soon. Please don't. You are talking of 3.5 kilometers from such a place.
Yeah.
What is that? These are gold. Talking of old Mombasa Road crossing here behind us.
Yeah.
In our project. What is that? So alafu sijui kama kuna kitu kingine umesikia huko, kama ni story ya residential ziko mahali pamoja zote. Kama ni industries ziko mahali pamoja zote. Petrol stations ziko mahali pamoja zote, because it's a smart city. Kwa hivyo kama haukuwa na dream hata ya kununua Konza, please, before tuweke hizo videos, start thinking about Konza. Nimewambia hiyo bei tunauzia, usitake hata utaisikia bei kama hiyo from now. You will never hear such a price. You will never hear.
It's gonna change drastically. Kwa sababu unasikia
natike kadhi, you know, chenye tumeona na by the way, unajua, let me surprise you. Kama tungekuwa tumeingia huko before we start selling here,
tungepause.
Tungefunga usikia tumesema sasa kuna phase 3 ya hapa. So
the most amazing thing is that already hata kwa hizi property tunauza hapa, tulisha promise a gift. You remember? You know, that should not skip your mind that there's also a gift.
Tunapeana gari hapa, Toyota Passo. And that's a gift for, actually it was an Easter gift. So mukimaliza haraka tuwapatie hiyo gift tuingie. But now phase 3. Phase 3 must be quite expensive kidogo. Expect that now that we have seen what is happening in the city. Expect ka price kameongezeka kidogo,
because just a few are remaining here, by the way.
That is it, just a few. Ni chache sana zimebaki hapa kwa Konza phase 2. Ni kumaliza tunamaliza. Lakini nimeshtuka umeenda mahali alafu the only beautiful thing that guy has done ni kutupea exposure. That was much important, because you see, when you want to sell something, it is good at least you have you be close to the environment. At least you're able to see everything. And then I'm to explain here na passion. Deep explanation about the Konza city. Wacha sasa hizo unasikia na huko nje. We got the whole information. We got the video for that project. Kwa hivyo kama huko umefikiria kuhusu Konza, then now you got the information. We shall upload the videos, and I think Mungu tu ndiye amefanya tukapata nafasi ya kuingia huko, because since we came kuuza Konza hatujaipata nafasi. He must be a lucky guy.
He must be a lucky charm.
You must be having some anointing. Some different anointing. Because we have been trying to get in. Hey. Israel. So, Israel is a key word.
So you know, at that point, together what we are discussing here is that Barodhi na Virginia have been a blessing to us, just to connect us with you people. It's just been a very great blessing. Is one connection that even was made from heaven, because it's an anticipation that we never had before we even started thinking of selling these properties. And Barodhi, upia unajua nataka kukubless, na sijui unaweza guess na kubless na nini?
Okay, hii nayo ni ile, hiyo ni kali.
Nataka kubless Barodhi sana na Virginia, na one of our own, one outstanding, very anointed person in our lives. Aliombea hizi shamba, akazi anoint, akazimwagilia mafuta, akasema zitaisha.
Wacha haraka. Ati unasema nini?
Huyo jamaa unamjua? Akasema hizi shamba zitaisha, na zimeisha, kusema ukweli. just a few of them are remaining.
Wait a minute. What are you talking about?
So we want to bless. We want to bless. We've been blessed. We want to also
Unajua
give
mtu
back.
akwambia anataka kubless. Unajaribu kuona kama anaweka mkono kwa mfuko.
Sijui balozi anafikiri inaweza kubless na nyama choma. Sijui ni mbuzi.
Lakini si ati Yesu unatupea kafununu. Unajua mimi nimezoea kusurprise watu. Wenye nimewafanya wasikue aware hata kidogo. Sasa hii yako nayo ni funny. Ama nitaambiwa kuna a journey to Israel. Mungu jani tusikie. Nasikia nimeambiwa tunaenda na Steve. Nijipate Israel.
No, sasa kuna pahali pengine balozi hajajua. Wacha nimsomee na Virginia ni venye hajakuja leo but tuta communicate pia na yeye na pia pastor wetu tunampenda.
Paka Pastor Garuya.
Tunataka kumbariki sana. Ametubariki sana kutuombea hizi shamba na kuzianoint.
My goodness.
Imekuwa a very good thing.
Wow, yani leo kuona Konza City. Alafu
sasa we are feeling so blessed na tunataka before hata tuambie barodhi tunambless pia ata reach out kwa pastor.
Yani hapo mgoje kidogo.
Yeah. So that's the reason why I'm also here with him.
Wacha bwana.
Maybe you're also going to get blessed by me. Maybe your small factory of vegan food will come up here. Unajua since he was born in Israel and hajai kula nyama hata siku moja. Pure vegan huyu ni pure vegan. Anakula tu
ama hawa ni wale tribes waliabua watasamehewa.
Seeds. Hawa ni wale
unajua kuna lot of tribes
these are yes, you are.
They could be.
So he's my friend for a long time. He's been alizaliwa Israel na amekuwa huko and he wants to put a factory up here. Yeah, he wants to put a factory up here.
Wow.
Na for vegan. Sasa vegan is seed only na mboga. Yes, hakuna siku utakula nyama. There's one thing that they call tofu. Tofu tastes like meat, man. I was blessed to taste that and it was a blessing.
You have some over there?
He cooks for us.
Yeah. Serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just at the
home, at our house.
I can decide to pick one of their titles so I get the chance to come in.
Yes, you come and he cooks for you tofu. Yes. So we are very blessed and as I say, Barudi wewe uko na passport?
Sasa unauliza swali gani?
Ama unaenda tu Malindi unarudi mbio mbio. Ama unaenda Malindi unarudi mbio mbio.
Unajua sasa Malindi unatoa tu ID card, national ID card. For Malindi you don't need a passport. But there's a guy who have been pushing me to have a passport.
Yes.
I just ignored. Why should I have passport?
No. Now you need to go again a passport.
I'm going to Malindi.
Because
I've just gone to Malindi the other day. How do I go outside the country within a short period of time?
You, Pastor Garuya and Virginia.
My goodness. Wait a minute.
Sijui kama wako na
Wait
passport.
A minute.
Tunaenda America.
You know, Pastor Garuya has
tunatembelea wateja wetu. Unaonaje? Hapana, tuendi huko. What we're going to do is that Barodhi amekuwa na charity na ministry yake ya kubless pia watu. Amekuwa akisaidia community at large, you know. He goes very far, he prays a lot. He is very dedicated to the word of God. And one thing that we prayed to God to show us how we can bless him is that God told us to and spoke to us to bless him, to take him to the Holy Land. To take him to the Holy Land, he goes to be even baptized in the Jordan. He goes to Golgotha. He goes to King David's place.
Anyabura, unajua mimi nikiambiwa kama hizo nakumbuka yule bibi yangu Anyabura.
So we want to bless Barodhi, Virginia and Pastor Garuya. I hope they have passports. Kama hawana passports, sasa sijui itakuwa namna gani.
Sasa ni lini?
So we want to bless them. And as we bless them, we know there are also congregants who would want to join them to come and pray and do the work of Christ in Israel. That's why I'm here with Avikiel. Avikiel is born there, raised there up to now. He lives there. He's just visiting. He came for a short meeting with the Israel embassy. Now, for him to be around is a blessing that we brought him to the land. But we're also going to go with him and Virginia and
Pastor Ngaruya.
Pastor Ngaruya.
My goodness.
I hope they make time because it's going to be a 10 days event. So we go 10 days, we go through Egypt, and then we go to Mount Sinai, the journey Israelites made from Egypt crossing into Israel. So that's where we start from. That's our starting point.
Sasa Wanyabura that.
So maybe Avikael will speak a bit of that. And then, yeah.
Yes. We're going to be in Israel doing the holy Feast of Tabernacles, the Feast of Tabernacles, which is going to be in the month of October, the 10th month of this year. So we're welcoming everybody to come and walk, reconnect. You see, the Bible is not just something we can read. We're very blessed to experience the Bible. The place the Bible speaks about actually exists right here on this earth. Again, as my brother Alfred has said, my name is Avikael. I am born in Israel. I'm part of the African Hebrew Israelite community, which was established more than 54 years ago by His Holiness Ben-Ami ben Israel to reestablish and to reclaim our rightful place in that holy and precious land of ours. So we're going to be walking through. We're going to go all through Jerusalem. We're going to visit the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. We're going to visit the tomb. We're going to visit all of the holy places, and if we're lucky, we might even get to Jericho, which is the oldest city in the world. So this is going to be a fantastic trip. This is something you definitely don't want to miss. So go ahead, get your documents in order, get your paperwork in order, and we'll be more than happy to see you there.
Yeah, so thank you. So ni sign up, Barodhi ata sign up. Anyone that is interested, pengine anataka ku come with us and sign up to come with Pastor Ngaruya, Virginia and Barodhi to the Holy Land. So itakuwa ni kitu nzuri sana. Unajua tunasoma Biblia na tujaenda hapo pali ilianzia.
We imagine.
Tuna imagine these places. Unaona?
Imagination over reality starts.
So this is our intention to bless Barodhi and Virginia and Pastor Ngaruya. Waende na sisi na Avikael tutapatia hiyo trip. Umesema you said Tabernacles what?
The Feast of Tabernacles.
What is that? Can you explain that?
The Feast of Tabernacles.
Can you explain that shortly?
So the Feast of Tabernacles represent the time that we begin to it's the holy day that's right after Yom Kippur. Yom Kippur is of course the highest holy day among the Hebrew people. So the Feast of Tabernacles is to represent us during the time when we were in the wilderness. So it's a tabernacle because it's not a permanent dwelling. But on this holy day, everybody kind of come out. It's an 8-day holy day. You have an opportunity to meet family, to come together and just enjoy the blessings of the Most High. Remember, in former times, this is the liberation time. Yeah, this is a time where we had come out of Egypt, so we were feeling good. We wasn't in Israel per se, but we was on the journey. So as such, you're going to be on the journey, and then we're going to add a special treat. We're going to allow you to come and visit the Hebrew Israelite community in Dimona, a fully 100% vegan community that are predominantly those from America. It was established by those who had left America and who had returned back to the Holy Land of Israel. So this is going to be an amazing trip. Wow.
So yeah, so the rest we'll just put up Barodhi atawaambia.
We shall do another video.
Yes.
Virginia and Pastor Ngaruya as break the news as well to them.
Yes.
It will be much important.
Yes.
Maybe he can even visit to our studios.
Yeah, we will come to the studio now to talk about this, which will be now exclusive, and then now we will come up with a brochure and explain to you how much it's gonna cost. So if you want to come with us, you come. But either way, whether you're coming or not, Barodhi is
We
going.
have to go there.
Barodhi and Pastor Ngaruya and Virginia are
You know, I'll
going.
start posing. Israel, here I come.
Jerusalem, we're here.
Jerusalem,
Yes.
we are here coming.
Yes. Yes.
So thank you so much for that. We are so humbled.
Yes.
And what can we say now? We are so much thankful on behalf of Virginia and Pastor Ngaruya.
You're welcome. You're
Yes.
welcome.
So watu wa Israel, sio kuniona online sasa niko huko. Ni kama nishafika.
Yes.
I'm coming very soon. You see there's no meat.
No, there is meat.
In Israel, you'll find meat, but when you come to Dimona, to the village of peace, no meat.
Oh,
No animals will die, and we'll eat abundantly.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So Alfred, hatutakaa hapa sana.
Yes.
Tulikuwa tumekuja hapa tu kuongezea tu kitu kidogo, part of whatever we needed. Tumeipata pale Konza City.
Yes.
Sasa hapa tumekuja kuongeza tu kitu kidogo sana, so that at least we make sure that you know what is Konza City. You get to know the part of the exclusive part of Konza City, the stage. Unajua pia kila project iko na stages.
Yes.
At least kuna ile stage sasa tumeweza kuipata. Utapata hiyo information. And for those wenye umenunua Konza Phase 1, number 1 tuseme titles zilitoka. Nimekuja kurealize watu wengi hawajui titles zilitoka.
Zote.
Titles ziko kwa ofisi, you can
Zote.
go pick your title ama utumane na mwenye anaenda kuchukua ende na original
Kitambulisho.
ID card.
Yes.
Number 2, this is Konza Phase 2 mahali tuko. It is 3.5 kilometers from the ideal Konza City,
Yes.
international city. So kutoka hapa kuja hapa is 3.5 kilometers. Hii hatuuzi bei ati iko juu. In fact,
Yes.
nimerealize tunauza chini sana.
Yeah.
Do you know purchasing such a land huko? By the way, Konza City huwezi pata less than an acre.
Yes.
Na unasikia ni pesa ngapi? Si unasikia?
Yes.
Bas, tuachie hapo. Mtu aende ajiulizie ndio asikie ni nini tunauza hapa. Ni dhahabu tunauza hapa na unaisusia tu.
Yeah.
So what I can tell you is kama unataka Konza Phase 2, hii ni kuisha inaisha. We have a gift ya kupeana Toyota Passo. So if you maybe a lucky person, utapata title na upate logbook.
Yes.
And you will actually drive to your plot.
course.
Come and see your plot.
Of course.
Utadrive hiyo tu gari ikulete hapa.
Yeah.
Na ukibahatika uingie Konza City, you
Yeah.
get a chance to see whatever we are talking about.
Yeah.
So hapa tunauza 540,000 cash. 540,000 cash, and of course installment 590,000, deposit 200,000, and actually tumewapea ruhusa ya kutoa even 100k.
Yes.
Uende ukitoa hivyo, the rest ulipe in 6 months.
Yes.
Na sio lazima umalize in 6 months, you can even finish within 3 months.
Yeah.
Kwa sababu ni zako tu, na ukimaliza sisi tukupatie title, wewe ujipange. In fact, funny enough, Phyllis Washira anasema logbook ni yake. Ni sawa, hujakataa. Add another plot to get higher chances za kushinda hiyo gari.
Yeah.
And anyone can win. You could be the winner, Phyllis. Who knows?
Yeah.
You could be the winner. So Konza Phase 2 ni kuisha inaisha. Pata chance ya kupata Konza Phase 2 with a deposit of 100k. Wekelea tu deposit ya 100k, uanze safari ya kulipa in 6 months, thanks to those wenye wanalipa na cash kama Eugenia. Eugenia amenunua zetu 2 plots akalipa na cash. Yeah, na nafikiri amemaliza jana, ile nilituma jana.
Yeah.
So thank you so much kwa wenye pia wamenunua cash, because title zao zinatoka haraka. Wabui wa Kamiras, wachana na mimi. Wachana na mimi. Nasema niongee Kiingereza. Sitaongea. Siku moja nitakupigia live nikwambie uongee Kiingereza kama hiyo nimesikia Israel.
Yeah.
Nikienda Israel nirudi nitawasumbua na Kiingereza jameni. Nitawasumbua sana.
Yeah.
So thank you kina Divarasi, unaona ai. So ukitaka Konza Phase 2, kuja inbox saa hizi, sio kesho, saa hizi. Nitakutumia hizo video zote kabla hata niziweke online. Nitakutumia video zote za Konza City uone nini hiyo tunaongea kuhusu. Come and invest in Konza City Phase 2. I mean in Konza Phase 2. Phase 1 ilisha, and saa hizi you have now the complete information about the Konza City.
Yes.
Saa hiyo hatukuwa nayo pia sisi, tulikuwa tunaiona from a view, lakini leo tumebahatika kuingia ndani na tukachukua ile information yote tulihitaji kukuonyesha. So hivi hata wenye walinunua Phase 1, kuja inbox nikutumie video uone what we have been talking about.
Yeah.
So if you want to get a map ya Konza Phase 2 mahali tuko na inaisha, just kuja kwa namba yangu inbox 0798 008 008 0798 008 upate nafasi ya kununua Konza Phase 2, upate title na ukibahatika upate pia logbook ya gari yenye tunapeana as a Easter gift, Toyota Passo. So nafikiri that's all. Hizi shamba ziko na title deed, usikuwe na wasiwasi hata kidogo. That's unasikia hata za Phase 1 zimetoka, so you can be able to pick your title from the office. Hata ukinipigia nitakudirect kwa Alfred, na pia kama uko na namba yake unaweza mpigia. In case unataka map na hunipati, ukiinbox Alfred pia ataweza kukutumia.
Yes.
Ndio uweze kupata nafasi ya kununua shamba na sisi wakati tunamalizia Phase 2. Note, ni ngumu sana kusikia hiyo bei tena karibu na Konza. Because we have realized we are even selling cheaper. And that's why I think others we are selling even more higher. Tunajiuliza kwani walikuwa washaingia ndani wakaona.
They have an idea.
So if you have time, ongea na Alfred atakuconnect vile utakuja ujionee pia huko Konza City. I'm telling you it's such a nice project.
Yes.
Alfred, sio kama utaongezea kitu?
No, reach me on 0706 00 2338. 0706 002338. Kama mkosa Barodhi, reach out na nitaweza kuconnect where possible.
Nakwambia watu wako na speed. Unasikia nimewaambia pia mtu akitaka hiyo video akuje, washakuja tayari kwa inbox. And by the way, let me also tell you one thing. Usichukue plot moja. Unajua tumejaribu kufanya hesabu tukiwa na Alfred huko ndani, tukaona tulikuwa tunasikia Konza ikitajwa hiyo ya serikali, hizo Konza City sasa, hizo project za serikali. Ile bei tumetajiwa huko ndani, my friend.
Yeah. And you can't buy less than an acre.
Na wacha hata hivyo, unaona chenye unaambiwa hiyo bei unasema ni sawa, sikatai, lakini bei haiwezi shuka.
Nothing less than an acre, na most of the properties there ni 2.5, 2.5, 2.3 like that. Nothing less than that. Yes.
Alafu pia ujue umesikia ni kutoka Katenem kupanda.
So yeah.
Katenem kupanda na hapo.
Yeah.
So what we are selling here, it's completely gold.
Yes.
It's so cheap. Ukimanage hata hapa nunua kaika kako. Kwa sababu kuna wakati utakuja kusema guy I wish I knew, and I even know wakati watu walikuwa wanunua huko Konza City, kuna watu hawangeona umuhimu wa kununua. Right now akipewa hiyo information anachanganyikiwa, unashindwa utafanya aje. And I'm even hoping to more the documentation so that we are able to see the whole information yenye tumepewa huko. But chenye kimetushtua it is nini iko hapo Konza City. Unajua kuwa kwa barabara ya Mombasa Road huwezi iona Konza City. Huwezi iona
kitu inaendelea.
Sasa ingia ndani upande kwa hiyo building. Na sijui kama wameona ukiwa Konza City, wameona mahali tulikuwa tunachukulia hiyo video ingine, mahali kuna booster mbili. Ndio zile ziko pale juu. So hizi project zetu mbili si haziko mbali na ile ingine. So and they are also near to Konza City. So watu watakuwa wanatoka hapa. In fact, I realize wengine wataenda kazi huko wanakuja kukaa hapa. So there are so many people who build residentials here.
Definitely.
So I would advise you also kuja ujenge nyumba ya kukaa. Utafanya kazi Konza ukikaa hapa. Kwa sababu Konza iko na vitu mingi. Konza City iko na vitu mingi za serikali. Hautakosa kazi huko. Anyway, Janet Kokoi, thank you so much. The best investment period. Thank you so much. At least now you have the information. Kwa hivyo mwenye haku amenunua, chance ni yako. Harakisha, otherwise hautasikia bei kama hiyo tena hapa karibu na Konza. In fact, tuanza tukiweka kwa mtandao, maka even investors wenye hawajapata nafasi ya kuingia huko, utasikia wameshoot bei zao. So hurry up. Please people understand that this you won't regret. The road through to Mombasa Road itself is gold, I tell you. Regina David, karibu sana. I'm back with full force. Kuja kama umeinvest, unaweza kuja na full force. Nimoraz, thank you so much. I've seen Dangonyash, thank you so much. Najaribu kuadvise watu hapa wanunue. I know he's part of those people wenye wameinvest hapa. David W amesema judging by the comments alone here you can tell it's a good place for investment na Wakenya hawadaganyangi. Thank you so much David W. May God bless you so much. Ezekiel Guyo, thank you. Dango, I'm looking forward to developing my little place there. Ezekiel pia ni part of wenye wamenunua hapa. Tumemuuzia. May God bless you so much. Na wale wengine wote wameweza kupata shamba hapa, both phase 1 and phase 2. One, ujua phase 2 ni kuisha inaisha. So ukikosa kununua phase 2, in fact ile phase 3 tunaenda it's even expensive than this. Kwa hivyo ukipata nafasi, make sure umepata hapa plot 2 ama 3 or even have an acre. Itakusaidia. By the way, kigura wiga hau tigana kio. Unaona nikikuonyesha video za kwanza, wewe nunua shamba wachana nayo. Jifanye hata hujanunua, weka title. Siku moja utakuja kutushukuru na Alfred because we are still here. Hatuendi mahali, utakuja kutushukuru. And I'm also sure phase 3 yenye tunaenda I had him saying there must be an added value. So I'm expecting hata kama bei itakuwa juu itakuwa kitu kizuri. Na kwanza sasa amesikia ni part of the 65 acres because imesurround Konza City. It's actually near to Konza City. It's actually acha niache kupea mambo ya phase 3. Wewe kwanza wekeza hapa phase 2 alafu tuone maneno itakuwaje. So mimi naomba tu Mungu akusaidie upate hata kama ni hiyo 100k kwanza uwekeze. Unajua Mungu anatakanga, and I would even wish to live in Israel because I know they are very strong when it comes to believing. And I think they are the people who believe ukianza Mungu anaingilia. You have to start so that God can see your effort. Then he comes in. You know Kenya we fear. We fear. We have a lot of fear. We fear trying. And you know the word fear, the word fear, it's being mentioned, I think it has been mentioned a lot of times in the Bible. The word fear.
Do not fear.
Yeah, so be very careful. Those who fear, be very careful.
Let me say that it's in the book of Proverbs. It says that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So the only thing you should fear is the Lord. You shouldn't fear anything else. In the book of Joshua, 3 times between the 1st and 11th verse of the 1st chapter, Yah encourages Joshua not to fear. So we mustn't fear. We mustn't be discouraged. We must move on. In Hebrew, we have a word that says kadima, Yah umela. That means forward with Yah and fullness. All right, no fear.
Beautiful.
One thing that you should know with Avikael has recited the Bible. He has recited the Bible. This is just a gift that everyone should have.
Some of us need to swallow the Bible itself so that we can understand.
Yes.
So I think we are happy to have him. And we will also be happy to have that journey together. I think when I'll be coming back to Kenya, we will have learned a lot.
A lot.
And I think it's kind of an adventure. It's kind of
it's a once in a lifetime.
That is it.
Once in a lifetime thing that you have to do, should be in your bucket list.
Yeah, sure.
One of the things that you should do if you're a believer is walk in this land. And then you can associate with the things that we read. And you can see them
Wow, so thank you so much. I think tutamalizia hapo. Lakini wacha nirudie kidogo nimesema few plots are left. So if you want to secure one, please inbox me via 0798008008, 0798008008. Get a plot from us na upate title deed, genuine title, na ukue beneficiary wa Konza City. Number 2, cost ni 50, size ni 50 by 100, cash ni 540,000, installment 590,000, deposit put as low as 100k. Uanze safari ya miezi 6 ya kuwekeza nasi kwa Konza Phase 2. So please, nikitoka live, kuja inbox. Ukitaka nikutumie pia hizo video nimechukua, kuja inbox nitakutumia hizo video. Inaweza kufanya usikie kuchukua an extra plot because you will see what we are speaking about na pia itakusaidia kuweza ku make decisions. Yes, so hapa ni mahali nakuambia unaweza chukua loan uwekeze. After kuona hiyo Konza City, Do you know, yani nawahurumia wenye watanunua plot moja alafu wakuje tuwapeleke Konza City alafu
hata maana nyingine
waulize mko na plot nyingine, kuna mtu alikataa kununua ama kuna mtu alirudisha pesa nichukue kamoja, utapata hakutakuwa na nafasi. Yes, plot zitakuwa lakini bei itakuwa juu. So Elizabeth McKenna ameuliza how much. Tumesema Elizabeth McKenna ni 540,000, that is cash. Installment ni 590,000, alafu deposit as low as 100k, the rest pay in 6 months. Ukitaka kulipa mapema pia ni sawa. If you want to pay cash, wacha niongeleshe pia watu wa cash. If you want to pay cash, you can pay within 1 month. Tunakupea 30 days uprove unataka kulipa cash. Si ndio Alfred? So if you want to pay cash, kwa sababu tunajua pia method zenu za kutuma pesa ni 3k. If you want to pay cash, we have given you 30 days kuweza kulipa hiyo cash, na hapo tumekuangalia vizuri. I would also want to thank Alfred pia na Steve Vika for the breaking news, for the gifts. Unajua ni muhimu sana wakati mwingine unashtuliwa pia juu umezoea kushtua watu. So I'm so much happy. And when is that?
So because of the logistics, you know, you have to, maybe most people don't have passports. Maybe other people want to send their parents. You know, it's an experience for it. One experience parents would want to have because they really associate with the Bible. So if you want to pay for your parents, you know, maybe it's a couple. So inakuwa tu from now up to October, that's when the Feast of the Tabernacles
that's good.
So we want to go when it's that season of the Feast of the Tabernacles, because that time there's a lot of events, and then they have the tents, the way they were moving, you know, because you said it was not a permanent indwelling. When they were walking into the promised land. So that's what they set up everywhere, and it's an experience that is amazing.
The experience of it's an experience of a lifetime to journey to Israel. And then when you get there, the most impressive things, or one of the most impressive things, is that you realize that you're still in Africa. You've not gone anywhere. You're still on the African continent. And so the idea is to see African presence in the Holy Land. That is something that the great majority of us never see. So you definitely have to take this opportunity.
Wow, sasa sijui nitatembea wapi nikienda Israel. Nataka kuona sasa nini naweza taka kuona huko.
Unajua Barodhi nilimuona, you know I saw Barodhi in Malindi, and I could see that he could not float very well. But now when you take him to the live sea, to the Dead Sea, we call it that,
but we call it live sea. Because people come from all over the world to be healed by the water,
to receive healing from the waters.
Because
and you just go.
This is the lowest place on earth. It's 400 meters below sea level. So if you Google it, you have to Google Dead Sea. And it's dead because there's no fish there. But it's a live sea because it's so much life-giving. All the minerals are there in that water. And you don't have to know how to swim. You can just float.
That's what I'm going to Yes.
This is one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Yes. And then now the highlights.
Mimi is asking, how do we get to join the trip?
No, you will sign up. They will sign up with you, and then from there we will communicate everything else. We'll come to the office, and then you will communicate with them. And then there's this place. We
also visit the Garden of Gethsemane.
We will go everywhere, but my highlight of Israel.
I would also wish to see the Mount Olive.
Mount Olive is where Jesus ascended to heaven, so we will go there. But my highlight of this place is the Wailing Wall. The Wailing Wall. That's where you can tell them a bit of that.
So the Wailing Wall, this is the only remaining wall of the temple that was built by Solomon. This is the temple that King David wanted to build, but Yah had instructed him that because his hands were bloody from war, he could not build his temple. So King Solomon, his son, was given the honors of building the temple. So the Wailing Wall, it is the last wall that is remaining of that holy temple. And this is the temple where Yah has promised that whenever you pray, regardless where you are in the world, that if you turn to the east and turn to that temple and offer your prayers, that your prayers will be answered. So this is a very, very holy place. We're going to have the opportunity to go and lift up prayers. And then for maybe some who will not be able to journey with us, then you can write letters and give it to those who are journeying up and put the letters in the wall so that the Most High can definitely hear the prayers that you put up. So that's going to be an amazing experience.
And another amazing place is Golgotha. Golgotha is where the crucifixion happened. And that small mountain has a skull like something, and it's an amazing view.
Becky Momanyi, I'm also going with my parents.
Karibu Becky, karibu.
Phyllis Wachira, I missed most information. When is this happening? It's gonna be epic.
In October. The dates we will give exactly.
How can I pay for my mom, Zangi Catherine?
So we're going to put together all information today. We just did the announcement.
And mark your words, I'll be there. I'll be there. Pastor Garuya will be there. Virginia will be there. Why not you?
This is the announcement, because again, it is so important that in this day and time that we reconnect ourselves back to the Holy Land of Israel. There are going to be so many sites. One of the most important things that we're going to sit down at a place called the Yardenit, which is the Jordan River. And we'll have the opportunity to be baptized again in this water. And
where Jesus was baptized.
We remember exactly that when Yeshua came, that he was just looking, and then when they seen him, they seen the aura, they seen the magnificent, on him, and he was baptized in that water. So we were going to have the opportunity to be baptized in the same water. Again, it is so important that you read the Bible and you understand that these places actually exist. We're going to go to the Mount of Olives. We're going to go to Beit Lechem. We're going to go to Nazareth. He's saying all the words. Nazareth. The word that's Nazareth. We're going to go to Kfar Nechum. This is the village where Yeshua lived, and we're going to that's what I just said. Kfar Nechum, Capernaum. Okay. And in that place, we're actually going to but we're not going to walk on the water unless we're feeling a bit messianic.
Wow, thank you so much. I think tutapata time pia ya kuwaelezea the details.
Yes.
Probably next week or so. When are you leaving? No, we're here.
He's here for some time, but we can schedule to come to your office, to the studio. Maybe today is Monday, maybe by Wednesday.
I might be
leaving
Nairobi from Thursday.
Before you leave, we can come and just finish.
Got a tight schedule. Tomorrow I'm in Murang'a the whole day. Ought to record all my videos on Wednesday. I have 5 shows back to back.
He's a busy man.
No, we will arrange. We will arrange for sure.
Okay. Becky Momanyi, I'm dancing. I'm going. I love the Lord.
Yes.
She has already confirmed. Yes. Mimi, wow. Waiting for more information. Mimi, all right. Phyllis Wachira, I hope the speaker is gonna be one of the tour guide.
Absolutely. My profession is I am a tour guide, so I'm definitely going to be there. You're coming to my home. How do you say home in Swahili?
Nyumbani.
Nyumbani.
Okay, let me say it in my language. Brokim habaim le'eretz Israel. Welcome to the Holy Land of Israel.
Okay.
So you'll be there at my home, and then so we'll give you just 2 words. So practice, of course, the word shalom. Shalom means peace, and practice todah. Thank you.
Wow. Amazing. So thank you so much. God bless you so much.
No, say todah.
Todah.
Yes. Todah. Thank you. Practice.
So
todah.
Okay. So tukirekereria njuge atiriri undu othe kunyithite horo wigie Konza Phase 2 ni guthira irathira tuma Konza City twina video very exclusive cia uria Konza City hana kuweko no wende kumenya maingi megie Konza City ona utanagura Konza Phase 2 njira gwikiria video icio wone na ngwire kuma hau Konza City ri guka haha ni 3.5 kilometers nigetha wone niki turari uhoro wakio guku turendia 540 thine ukigura cash installment ni 590,000 deposit rute 100,000 icio ingi urihe kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 tuguthondekete na njira iria yothe ungienda twarikia hatwike draw hari mundu mo tugutuga na Toyota Passo rikuguo wekiri ugwika ni kwihika hika ni twaheo kiheo twina Pastor Garuia na Virginia gia guthie kuria Israel tugacerio gita kiheo. So may God bless you so much. No ego gato join tuko tukimuhe details icio ciothe no gia bata muno makiria ni Konza City ku tukwambite kuingira wirorere video ka inbox yakwa thaa ici thiini wa namba ino gwikirira haha 0798008008 gwikirie video wone kiria turakwenderia guku wone ni dhahabu na maitho na nigetha hote kuigithia na niguthira kurathira 0798008008 uka inbox gwikirie nginya ga video onakorwo nduraigua atongigura Konza tu ni urarigagwo niku uka inbox yakwa onakorwo ndugurite gwikirie tu video tu wone kiria turari uhoro wakio nigetha wone ni city within a city na for this case it's a smart city within a city. So you can define between a city, a normal city, and a smart city within a city. Eure ndugibanga kundu guko nginya na airport na kuma njeke na noigua barabara no turakirwo expressway kinyite Mulolongo kuma hau ni kuraturwo Duo College ni wera turwo as we speak ni thiete na mbere harurukite oguo na Duo College we kinyite hare nguciria Chumvi eroka ikuruke nginya rikie Konza niki tondu Konza ni project nene muno makiria twina information ya mwenye muno na ya bata very exclusive report egie Konza City kugwe ni ukwenda kumenya maingi megi uhoro ucio uka inbox yakwa kana ya Alfred ega tuko tugikumanyithia na njira nene. Phyllis Wanshira, wow, you very knowledgeable and informative. All right. Thank you so much and God bless you.